In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format forms title and header in Smartsheet. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and open the project sheet you want to work with. This is the sheet that will be collecting the responses from your form. Once that sheet is open in the grid view, look toward the top right of the screen for the option to create a form. Go ahead and click Create Form. Smartsheet will generate a new form based on the columns in your sheet. You'll now be taken into the form builder. You should see a preview of your form in the main area and settings and options down the right-hand side. If you already have a form for this sheet, you may see a list of forms. In that case, select the one that's named for your project sheet so you're editing the correct form. Once you've clicked into it, you're in the form editing view, where we can change the title and header details. At the top of the form preview, you'll see the main form title. Click directly on that title area. When you click it, the text becomes editable. This is where you can type in the name you want people to see when they open the form. Replace the default name with something clear and descriptive. For example, you might call it Project Intake Form or New Request Submission. Use a wording that makes sense to your audience so they immediately understand what the form is for. Below or near the title, you'll see additional header or description fields. These are very helpful for giving people context before they start filling out the form. Click in the description area to edit it. Here, type in any instructions or important details such as who should use the form, what information is required, and any deadlines or guidelines. Keep it concise but clear. This is your chance to reduce confusion and prevent incomplete submissions. On the right side, you may also see options labeled something like heading or heading description. Click on those options to adjust the header text and supporting description if needed. This lets you fine-tune how your title and header information appears, and you can update the wording until it feels just right. As you type, keep an eye on the live preview to make sure everything looks clean and professional. When you're happy with the form title and header formatting, your changes are saved within the form editor, and your updated form is ready to share with your team or stakeholders.